Hi, I'm Avinash here, the founder of eonik. Every marketing tool today promises you the same thing. We'll do the marketing for you using AI. They hand you graphs, reports, dashboards in the name of strategy, all with clever names. They help you do thousands of creatives, incoherent, inconsistent, in the name of scaling and experimentation. But deep down, you already know the truth. None of them understand your users like you do. They don't have the context of your business. So what comes out is suboptimal and just average. Because real science of scaling was never about producing more videos or reading more reports. It was always about understanding who your user is and where they are with you. As a marketer, right now, most of your time is wasted on the grunt work. It is either spent on doing research or creating or editing new creatives for your ad campaigns. eonik is built exactly for that. It does the grunt work on your device, on your brand, locally, offline, while you focus on the thing that really matters, understanding your users and focus on your revenue. So this is Yoni. Your footage, your library, your strategies, your brand language, everything on your device. So starting with your library, the real issue with scaling was never about creating more or generating more ads. As a brand, you already have a lot of data, a lot of context. The issue is that it doesn't get compounded, the learning doesn't compound, and everything that you have created 6 months back is completely wasted for you. So on Ionic, you basically can connect a local folder, connect a drive, location, or you can connect your past ads. And Ionic basically does scene by scene analysis for you. Everything is done on device, local, free, and you already have your meta connection, so you can derive learnings on top of that. Then onto the mood board. As a marketer, inspirations can strike you at any moment. It can be either when you are scrolling Instagram or seeing a YouTube video. So right now, the only way for you is to capture a screenshot or share a link with your team. We built extension exactly for that. It's a Chrome extension for 24/7 ad curation. Uh, it basically lives on top of your meta ad library or your Instagram account or your YouTube account. So you can always go ahead and save a particular video. It gets added to your collection, and Ionic does on-device analysis on top of them as well. So the whole point is learning compounds, and everything is local. Now onto the major differentiator. We do not sell you intelligence. As a marketer, as an operator, you already have your own workflows that you love. These are either on Claude, Codex, or Cursor. So Ionic helps you bring your own intelligence. So yeah, you can connect your Claude, local Claude, your cowork that you're using, and you can use that to do analysis, do editing, and do all kind of tasks here. So yeah, for example, I can just go ahead and drop this, and I can do a deep dive on top of this. Then onto the strategy. So basically, we have 24/7 agents running, scraping different data points across a meta library and different sources, which help you to figure out what are the top things you should be focusing on for the next week. Then onto a brand palette. It's basically the storehouse of all your brand information, your uh, iconography, your font palette, your specific footages that are used across ads. So everything is created on brand for you. Now onto the main studio. So it's basically the same old editor for you with all your capabilities. You can do manual editing, you can do AI video generation using VO3 right now, but we can extend it to see dance under the top models. You can create your avatars, the same every feature that is available across your editor, but with the Claude Brain for you. So Claude does your editing for you, and as a editor or the marketer, you have the brand context, so you have the final say in what goes. So let me show you that. I can go ahead and import a couple of files. Uh, so yeah, I have these clips that I created, and I can go ahead and import some audio. So here I can just go ahead and ask you to so Claude does your thinking for you. Uh, I mean, yeah, at the end, as a video editor for a large agency or a D2C brand, you have the final say. Claude does the basic footage editing for you. It arranges everything on the timeline, so you can go ahead and edit everything at the end. And this gets validated based on your final learning that has been stored in your library on top of the footage. So nothing goes off brand, and you have the final say and in everything. At the same time, I can go ahead and generate clips from here. Which is like a 24 years old, uh, intake, and then- so the generation is happening here as well. So I can go ahead and use this particular image in my video for the final composition. I can generate audio clips as well as a replacement for any uh, off-brand audios. So yeah, it has started the generation for me. Uh, yeah, it's composing each into a 30-second crisp video using a different sequencing that is the most appropriate for this particular case right now. Yeah, it can go ahead and add different filters. It can add captions, everything as required. But yeah, like you get the gist. So that's about it. So that's Ionic for you. Uh, Ionic will never tell you what your customer wants. You already know that the best. Ionic does it does the research, does the editing, the grunt work for you, and helps you compound your learnings across different timelines, across different sources. So yeah, that's Ionic for you. Everything on device, local, free.